Hi everyone! Today I'm starting a new series all about breakfast, and of course the recipes are going to be Mediterranean inspired. The first one I'm doing today comes from Spain, and it's called pan con tomate, something like that. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. It's basically bread with tomato and a little garlic and olive oil, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It's really easy. The first thing we need to do is toast some bread. So I have some of yesterday's baguette here, and I've drizzled on some olive oil, and I'm going to put that in the broiler just for a few minutes to give it a little toast. What I have here is a tomato and some garlic. It's a garlic clove that I've cut in half. Now traditionally they would cut this tomato in half and grind it on a box grater to get the pulp and then leave the skin out, and they cut the garlic in half and they rub this on the bread. I'm going to, just to make it a little easier for myself, I'm going to throw everything into a food processor. Here I have my pulped tomatoes, and I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt. Now that our bread is lightly toasted, I'm going to spread on our tomato mixture. It smells so fresh. And now I'm going to drizzle on a little bit of olive oil. And add a tiny bit more of the sea salt. And that is breakfast.